Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
Global economy.
November 25th, 11:10 America, New York. Black Friday shoppers find deals as U.S. retailers clear inventories. Toys and electronics marked down at start of holiday season with consumers pinched by inflation.
Daily FX market news.
November 25th, 11 o'clock America, New York. Pound fundamental forecast. Retailers hope for booster Black Friday sales. UK shoppers are expected to hit the high streets on Friday ahead of the Christmas shopping season as retailers hope to boost sales. US PCE and NFP next week.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
November 25, 9:27 America, New York. Elon Musk says Twitter is launching verified service next week. The social media platform will manually authenticate accounts and use different colored checkmarks to designate government and company accounts, he said.
BBC News Business. November 25, 8:57 America, New York. Primark to open 4 new stores and create 850 jobs. The budget fashion chain says its £140 million investment is part of its commitment to UK retailing.
Daily FX market news.
November 25, 8:31 America, New York. USD, JPY rallies as the dollar index arrests a 3-day slide. The pair has finally gained some upside traction as bets around a less aggressive Federal Reserve ramp up.
New York Times Business. November 25, 8:21 America, New York. Why big business can't get enough of the World Cup, scandal and all. The World Cup in Qatar, which started this week, has been plagued by controversy, and yet companies and countries are tripping over themselves to be part of the show. FIFA shoots, FIFA scores.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
November 25th, 8 o'clock America, New York. Law firms prepare for slowdown after record demand. Law firms are bracing for economic uncertainty after record-breaking revenues last year and hiring sprees that saw even some lower-level lawyers netting 6-figure signing bonuses.
BBC News Business.
November 25, 7:47 America, New York. Energy sector reforms criticized by British gas owner. Regulator Ofgem announces plans to strengthen the sector but is criticized by the UK's biggest supplier.
Marginal Revolution.
November 25, 7:25 America, New York. Detective wanted. Nat Friedman is seeking a full-time solo technical leader to go on a modern-day Indiana Jones-style treasure hunt. You will be responsible for starting and running a crowdsourced effort to crack an archaeological puzzle of great historical significance. Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. November 25, 7 o'clock America, New York. Telehealth firms lobby to extend pandemic-era rules. The push comes after some online startups faced scrutiny from lawmakers and pharmacies over their prescription practices.
Daily FX market news.
November 25, 7 o'clock America, New York. British pound forecast. GBP, USD rally erases policy error losses. GBP, USD continues to press higher and an important technical landmark is within touching distance.
BBC News Business.
November 25, 6:44 America, New York. Energy advice. Sunak to expand TIPS campaign to lower bills. His government aims to curb energy use in a move once seen as nannying by former PM Liz Truss.
New York Times Business.
November 25, 6:17 America, New York. Canadian singer Chris Wu sentenced to prison for rape in China. Before his arrest over #MeToo allegations, Chris Wu was one of China's most popular entertainers, with legions of fans and brand deals. The pop singer Chris Wu in Toronto, in 2018. The Library of Economics and Liberty. November 25, 6 o'clock America, New York. The eccentric entrepreneur's venture. Suppose an eccentric entrepreneur is raising money for a new venture. It could be a sort of metaverse hula hoop or some revolutionary way of financing a public good, in the economic sense, or whatever.
New York Times Business.
November 25, 5:28 America, New York. Fire kills 10 in China's Xinjiang, raising questions about lockdown. A fire in a residential high-rise in Urumqi, where many residents have been under lockdown, set off public anger and questions about China's zero-COVID policy. Firefighters spraying water on a fire at a residential building in Urumqi in western China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, on Thursday, in this still image taken from a video.
Global economy. November 25. 4:42 America, New York. EU demands rapid response to Biden's $369 billion green subsidy package. European ministers seek to head off transatlantic trade war over Inflation Reduction Act. Global economy.
November 25. 4:15 America, New York. European stock slip on Eurozone rate rise fears. Asian equities hit by pessimism over rising coronavirus cases in China.
Marginal revolution.
November 25. 017 America, New York. AI and language learning. Rob asks. I would love to see you write on how AI changes the value of language learning, at the margin. 2 thoughts. The value of learning languages in order to get a culture more deeply probably doesn't change much. The Library of Economics and Liberty.
November 24, 1557 America, New York. The mystery of politics. Why do people vote for bad candidates? In some cases, they may be electing the lesser of evils. But there are many instances where voters clearly prefer bad politicians.